So I think the recording has started. Okay, today we are on point 4 of the Agile Manifesto, which is about responding to change over following a plan, right? And we talked about change being good. We talked about small batches. We talked about inspection, adaptation, and transparency. These are all they all help in achieving us to basically respond to change, help us respond to change. Um, Again, in an ideal world, again, not an ideal world, actually, this is a lot of companies are already doing this, and they have been doing this for more than 10 years, which is to have a very short cycle time. So in this particular picture, this I have taken from the Phoenix Project, the book, and we're talking about a value stream and a very short lead time. So basically we're looking at once the code is committed to master, automated tests run. And again, this is not the whole suite. This is like um, sort of a smaller set. And then a human being can do some exploratory testing for 10 minutes, and then you just click a button and it gets pushed to production. So you're talking about from the time the code is committed to the master, you're talking about 25 minutes. Some more definitions, lead time versus process time of a deployment operation. So ticket created. So I have a great idea today, this morning. I talked to some friends and I had a great idea about, let's say, one of the projects how to increase registration, or how to increase um, basically conversion or sale on your website. I want to try that idea out, right? So um, at some point, you prioritize that work, and then you do the work, and then you complete the work. When you say work completed, you're basically talking about this. So from the time you complete the work, you commit it to master, to the trunk, and in 25 minutes you have it in production. So it has all the telemetry with it, and then you can very quickly see whether that has improved conversion, improved sales or not. So this is again, how is this part of responding to change or following a plan? It's basically, this is a different way of working, right? Uh, you have very high level roadmaps, but uh, and you can have a sprint plan and everything, but um, you still need to have that flexibility to be able to deploy quickly. And in the context of a sprint, let's say, so extreme programming, their iteration is 1 week. Scrum allows you to have 1, 2, 3, or 4 weeks, but we want shorter cycle time. So let's say that your 2 week sprint has 10 stories, right? And suppose on the third day of the sprint, you've completed story 1, right? You would like to actually have it in production rather than wait for the sprint to end. So this is how people are working now. So I'll stop the recording and take questions.